on the Simple Cooking Show, let me tell you about the blue zones, because I'm going to talk about them a little more and more in these videos. These are places where people live the longest, healthiest lives in the world. So based on what they eat, how they live, their social connections, they have found this kind of magic formula that they're living the best quality life even in their later years. So they never grow old, they just enjoy life. So these places around the world are Icaria, Greece, Okinawa, Japan. We have Sardinia, Italy, Loma Linda, California, the group of Seventh-day Adventists, and Nicoya, Costa Rica. So what do they all have in common for food-wise? They eat about 95% plant-based diet. This means very little dairy, eggs, any kind of animal products. They're eating a lot of legumes, which are beans, whole grains, fruits and vegetables, and that is what they eat in their diet, but they also live an active lifestyle and socially connected. So I'll tell you more about these coming up. This is the Blue Zones, guys. Thanks for watching.